Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open the QuickBooks mobile app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and tap it. This will bring up a menu with different options for creating new entries. Step 2. From that menu, select the Invoice option. This will take you to a fresh invoice template that's ready for you to fill in. You'll see all the fields you need to complete. Step 3. Start by selecting the customer you want to bill. If you've used them before, they'll appear in your recent list, or you can search for them by typing their name. Make sure you pick the right customer since this determines who gets billed. Step 4. Next, add your line items by tapping the Add Item button. Enter the description of what you're charging for, the quantity, and the rate. You can add multiple items to the same invoice if needed. Step 5. Review all the details including the payment terms, due date, and make sure your totals are correct. Once everything looks good, tap the Save button. You'll then have the option to send it directly to your customer via email, or download it as a PDF. That's how you create an invoice on QuickBooks Mobile.